Every new year is a time for new resolutions, new purpose, new goals, new ideas, new implementations, new successes. All these new successes and implementations are dependent on one thing, and that is the previous experiences. And my favorite thing is looking back to the previous 12 months before we move ahead with the next 12, which means it's time for to reflect upon the previous 12 months and redefine the next 12 months. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna and I am here with my Unbox Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a place where we constantly learn, unlearn and relearn the things and keep evolving each and every year. This evolution is needed every year to redefine our goals, to reevaluate our actions and move ahead. What worked best and what did not? This is something we really need to dig up for 2023. 2022 has been a very significant post-COVID first year, where the life started moving in the usual sense. Offline schools, campuses and everything started. People started going to the office and there were new challenges. Because few of us were more comfortable working from home, others enjoyed the adventure of going to the office. There is some fatigue of working with the Zoom and there yet a need to work in the blended mode. So let me try to identify certain trends that would help us in 2023 to start our online coaching business. Trend 1. We need to own our own content and have our own platform to distribute it. What happens most of the time is I've seen people copying the others, and one thing is for sure, copy is not better than the original. You cannot upsell it, you cannot keep evolving if the content is being copied from some other source. So you can get inspired by certain things, you can get ideas from the other things, but it's always advisable to own your own content. Number 2, what you need is you need to have a platform of your own from where you are selling, so that you grow as a whole. It's not only the superficial likes that are growing, but your email list is also growing. If email list is the list of prospective clients, you need to work more on emails. You need to send more emails this time, more engaging emails that can have a two-way conversation, emails with more engagement for the audience. So the trend 2 is double down your emails. There are people who are tired of working with the webinars because it's like you are talking in front of one machine. Though for actors, talking in front of the camera is a usual thing and they can easily do it. But for a layman like us, it's more of a fatigue thing. So we need to fight that fatigue. And as a coach, you need to change your approach and inculcate more of the experiential activities within your course. And that is something as an online coach you must do to retain more customers and more students for yourself. What I have been observing since last many years and while talking to the different coaches, they have been writing things, editing, re-editing and over-editing the content, because of which the content loses its spark, its value. Don't do that. Have a spark in what you say. Instead of going to be the perfectionist, do it and make it perfect. This is something which is required in 2023. 2023 is a year where attention is no longer a currency. This is not important to grab the attention of the people. What is more important is to hold them with yourself, to engage them with your content, with your material. That is something which is required. Good content is something that is required by the audience because they no more want to read the content but they want to solve the problem. Now it is not the attention that is our currency, but the solution is our currency. How you give the solution and how your student or the audience implement it to get the impact, that is more important. Newness is always attractive, but in 2023 it's advisable to focus on tried and tested strategies that work. Work on the things that you have learned. Work on the things, improve your learnings. Because once you start learning, you start improving, and once you start improving, you can achieve your goals. So it's not only about writing the goals, it's about achieving the goals. Today, on 2nd January, I'm giving you a New Year goals, something to do. And I would love to have a reflection and accountability session at the end of the year 2023. Before I start a goal setting for 2024, I would have a goal accountability session for 2023. Because here I'm giving you the trends, the strategies that would help you to grow in your business. It's not only about the copywriting and being creative, it's about how you involve people with you. It is like people are more going to the Facebook, writing the short forms, but email still is the best source. So start working on your email list, building your email list. Things that have not worked out in the 2022, you can make a list of all these. For the new strategies, new implementations and new business practice. Include marketing in all your businesses. Remember, we as an entrepreneur can never forget to market our business, to market ourselves before we launch the product. All of us just keep on focusing on the product development. Remember, customer development comes before product development. You need to identify all the social medias that can connect you with your audience. You can write more emails, send more videos, record the videos and interact with the people. It is more of seeing and listening, both skills working together. So it works. Last but not the least, create small ticket offers. In a scenario where we want to create a funnel for our audiences, most of the coaches are talking about high ticket things. Remember, it is quantity in the businesses that matters. So it is the small ticket offers that can offer you a big change. And that is why you need to create more small ticket offers. Last but not the least, experiential learning is something that you need to grab for all the learnings that you are offering to your customers. I have already done a video on experiential learning and the link will be shared in the description so that you can see that and use experiential learning and experience more success in your life. My best wishes for 2023 to all the upcoming coaches and consultants, and my best wishes to all the people who are on the verge of starting up their coaching and consulting business, and my best wishes to all the people who are already there and need to scale to the new heights. In 2023, be happy, be entrepreneurial and live the life of abundance. And if you want to pursue more of Unbox Entrepreneurship with us, keep liking, subscribing, and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families, and friends. Thank you.